Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to create this Diwali makeup look for beginners. It's a very easy makeup look. You can just do it like this. It's a very clean and glowy, dewy makeup look. So now let's just get started. Before I get started, I just want to talk to you about a serum and a sunscreen that I've been loving recently. If you're looking for spotless skin, try the Dermaco's 10% vitamin C serum. This serum resolves concerns such as dullness and gives you bright, radiant and even toned skin. And don't forget to apply the sunscreen. The Dermaco's Ultra Light Zinc Mineral Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This super light sunscreen is enriched with 25% zinc oxide and gives a non-greasy finish with zero white cast, and it is water resistant. All the products by the Dermaco are fragrance free. Every time you make a purchase, you extend your support to more than 10,000 students. Use my coupon code SUSH2023 to get 20% off. Everything will be listed in the description box below. First of all, I'm going to apply a primer. This one is the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. I'm going to take some and apply it on my face. Because it's Diwali, I want my skin to look like a glazed donut. I'm going to use today the K-Beauty foundation in the shade Medium and apply it all over my face. Just apply the foundation in a very light layer. Next, for the concealer, I'm going to apply the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to apply a heavy layer of concealer because, to be honest, I did not sleep well last night. I had to edit till 3 o'clock at night, and then now again in the morning I just have to shoot, so I didn't get enough sleep, but yeah, my concealer will do the job. This concealer just blends like a dream and it just makes my under eye area look so fresh and awake, and it just looks like I slept so well. And I'm also trying to keep this tutorial very easy so that people who are beginners can follow my tutorial without any difficulty. Now I immediately have to set my under eye area, otherwise there are going to be creases. So for my under eye area, I'm going to use the Forever 52 loose powder. This is in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to dip my beauty blender in it and apply it directly under my eyes. And then taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to press it in my skin. Oh my god, just see how awake and fresh I look right now. Now let's start with the eyes. So we are going to do a very easy rose gold, goldenish thing going on our eyelids. So I'm going to take this Kiro Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Peachy Gold, and I am going to use it as my base. This is a beautiful shade and it looks gorgeous on the eyes. So I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. You don't have to use any eyeshadow on top of this. If you don't want to, you can just use it alone and it just looks stunning. And just blend it lightly with your fingers. For this look, I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette from Lakme Absolute. It's the Spotlight eyeshadow palette in the shade Smoking Glam, and I'm going to use this shade. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and apply it all over my eyelids, including the crease area. What I'm going to try and do is just leave the middle portion so that the base color can show, and just apply it on the rest of the eyes. It's just going to be like a halo. Okay, the next color we're going to take is this bright golden color. We're going to apply it at the center of our eyelids and just mix it with your fingers or a brush. For the lower lash line, we are going to take the same color that we use for the crease area, the same pinky rose gold shade. Next, we are going to take a black kajal. So I am going to take this Faces Canada Intense Gel Kajal in the shade Black, and I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line. And then I'm just going to blend it. Now I'm going to apply mascara, and the mascara I'm going to use is Forever 52. This is the XL Lash Volume Mascara. You can use whatever mascara you have. And I'm just going to apply 2-3 heavy coats of mascara. Okay, so now I just applied 2 coats of mascara. I am just loving this eye look. Next, I'm just going to use one palette for my contour, highlight and blush. This is the Sugar Contour D-Force Face Palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and I'm going to use the contour shade. And I'm just using it just like a bronzer. I don't want any sharp contours, so I'm just using it just like a bronzer. Next, I'm going to use the blush shade. This is a very pretty peachy pinky shade. Now I'm going to use the highlighter and I'm just going to highlight a lot. It's Diwali and I want my face to shine bright. What I'm also going to do is I'm just going to take this highlight shade and I'm going to apply it in the inner third area of my eyes and the inner corners also. Next, I'm just going to do my eyebrows real quick and I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, now the only thing left is the lipstick. And of course, it's Diwali. How can I not use a red? So the lipstick that I'm using is from Nykaa and this is in the shade Maharani. So everything will be listed in the description box below. It's a beautiful red shade. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips. And then just taking this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 lip liner. This is in the shade Rust Lust. I'm just going to outline it. Okay, so the look is done. This is the look. I absolutely love it. It looks so fresh and clean. Hold on, I just forgot to highlight my brow bone area. If you want to wear a bindi, you can wear a bindi, but I'm gonna skip it. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button. Share this video with your friends and wish you a very happy Diwali. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.